Hey, what's up, y'all? So when I'm working with a P. Louise base or just a base in general, you always want to make sure that you pat really good and blend it the best that you can, and that you make sure there's no creasing before you add the shadow on top of the base so that you're not setting a crease eye look, you know what I'm saying? I always try to pat it down in like 2 good times and hold my eyes a certain way so that it doesn't crease. Then I add the shadow, you know what I'm saying? And you can see everything that's going on. The P. Louise base is like pretty much the only two bases that I use, either the white or the black one. And you don't really need that much, so I'm not really gonna run out of base anytime soon. I might not even run out next year, you feel me? And I got the P. Louise bases when they was on sale. So you might want to cop some, but thank you for watching and have a blessed night or blessed day.